I'm Gemma.
I'm Tasha, and today we're going to be showing you how we get ready for
Date night.
super exciting date night vibes.
First product, we're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. I'm wearing shade 310.
I'm wearing shade 255. So I'll be applying my foundation with a brush.
I apply my foundation just with my fingers. Yeah, you want to look like you've got something on, but not like...
but effortless. You want to look effortless, you know? What I do next, I use concealer. So I'll actually be using the Pro Filter foundation as a concealer. So I just use a lighter shade underneath my eyes, just to give that little bit of coverage.
I'm going to go now with the eyeshadow palette. I've gone for the 1730 browns. Off this palette, I've started off with this middle shade here, and then I've gone in with this very end one here, just like in my crease, and to give that sort of like smoky cat eye effect.
After my concealer, I now do the eyeshadow. So I start with kind of like the nude colours as of the base, and then I'll probably be using the middle one and the kind of like bronzy orangey one, so it's like a bit smoky. And then underneath my eye, I do use a darker one just to give that more like a bold kind of outlook of the eye.
So for eyeliner, I've gone with the Flicks from Revelation Beauty. This is just in the shade black. This is a liquid eyeliner.
This is a scary step in it.
I know, and I feel like if we mess it up, then we're literally screwed.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I actually can't be laughing when I do this.
My eyeliner is like literally...
You out. Said it's fine. Just use a girl to
I need them. This is why you need friends to help with your makeup.
Eyeliner is definitely the hardest part because you know you've done your eye makeup, and if you get it wrong, you get it wrong. So for me, what I do is I actually start with the outside first. So I don't go in like with the tip. I kind of turn it sideways, and I just draw a line, and then. But I go quite gently, like a little flick, and then I go back this way and I connect it to here. You want me to help you out?
I'll happily go for mascara now, you know.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
You've done the eyes.
Yeah.
So.
Go for the eye, then mascara.
This is another level for you mascara from 17.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's like a Christmas tree.
Do you do your mascara like all the way, or do you focus more on the ends?
I do it all the way. I focus like more on the like a very, very corner.
It's nice, it's not giving you clumpy lashes. I hate clumpy lashes. Some mascaras gives you that clump. I do this, look.
Oh wow, girl! So if you were in a bar and you wanted to get someone's attention, you'd do that?
Yeah, sometimes.
I'd be straight over if I was a guy.
No, sometimes I have to make a statement. Jem, what's your mascara face?
Right.
Do you? You're like, okay.
No, what face do you do?
Mine's like, wait. I do that.
Oh, I forgot a step.
What's that?
Concealer.
Yeah, you haven't done your concealer yet.
And maybe I need to go back and do my concealer.
So for the next step, I do my bronzer next. And this is Revolution XX Inspire. I do love a cream bronze. I've liked the cream. It just gives you that really nice, dewy, glowy, sun-kissed vibes. So I just put some on my brush. This is really, really nice on your skin, actually. I go like circular motion.
So I've just quickly highlighted with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter shade 255. I would probably normally have done that before my mascara, but I completely forgot. So we just had to, you know, compromise. So I've just done that now. Now I'm going to go back in with the blush. This is Revolution Beauty XX Blush. This is in shade Dainty. I'm just going to put a little bit here on my cheekbones. So I've literally just done my blush. So I'm just going to use the Revolution Beauty bronzer, same shade as what Tasha used. With my bronzer, I normally just do it on my forehead a little bit. I'll put some like on my jawline. And under here. No such thing as too much bronzer. Like,
exactly. I just started using my blush. This one is Revolution XX Rosy.
what's your biggest ick on a guy? I just hate like bad hygiene.
Yeah, like dirty fingernails.
Dirty fingernails, dirty breath. Just look after yourself.
Like greasy hair.
Yeah.
So with this one, I actually built it up. So I had to do quite a few drops to get it to the pink that I want it to be. But as you can see, this glow, can you see this? See that glow?
Have you put highlighter on?
No.
Oh wow.
I know.
After bronzer, I'd normally just go in with some like just highlighter.
We both use 17 Light Reflect Liquid Highlighter.
Normally I put my highlighter just on my cheekbones, down the centre of my nose. Normally I would put a bit on my chin,
Yeah.
but I feel like because we're in the sun, I might not put it on my chin because I might look like really sweaty.
So for me, I like to put my highlighter also on the cheekbones, a little bit on the nose. I like to do the top of my lip, just here.
We're going to both go with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Dip.
So this is actually quite nice. You can see a little shimmer on it. It's quite a nice colour. I do personally love Fenty lip glosses. They're my favourite.
I normally go for a matte lip.
Yeah,
I'm
you
not
do,
sort of like the
actually.
glossy kind of girl. So
Yeah,
this
you
is-
love a matte lip.
Yeah. It's actually really different for me.
Look at that shimmy. We're ready to... Our lips will be pout ready. Kiss ready.
So finally, I think we should just finish with the...
The spray,
Yeah.
the setting spray. I bet this is the most exciting part. This is the Hydrafix XX setting spray. And just... Ooh, that smells so good.
Do you want to spray me? I feel like
Yeah.
you can...
Don't get it on my hair though. Feels nice, doesn't it? That's us finished, and now we are both ready for our date night. Woo! Bring on the boys.